Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. There's a moment every creator and entrepreneur hits, that point where you look around and wonder, why is growing online so easy for everyone else? And why does it feel impossible for me? I've been there too, refreshing analytics, hoping for movement, convincing myself I'm doing everything right yet feeling completely invisible. And honestly, it hurts because deep down, you're not lazy, you're not unskilled, and you're definitely not the problem. The problem is attention. And today we're talking about a tool that claims to change that for beginners in a way I've never seen before. It's called Rush AI. Rush AI is described as a system that taps into viral traffic the moment it starts happening. Instead of waiting for people to discover you, it claims to watch platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Reddit, and Facebook 24/7, looking for posts and conversations that are blowing up. And when it finds one, it automatically redirects a portion of that attention toward whatever link or page you want without you posting anything or fighting the algorithm. Imagine waking up to clicks, profile visits, and real people moving through your funnel while you didn't lift a finger. No chasing trends, no guessing games, no stress. It's basically stepping into traffic that already exists instead of trying to create it from scratch. And for beginners, that's a massive advantage. What really stands out is how simple it's meant to be. No learning curve, no complicated setup, just turn it on and let it work in the background. Plus, they offer a 30-day traffic or you don't pay guarantee, which takes the pressure off trying it. If you've been waiting for your moment, your shot, or just a chance to finally feel seen online, this might be something worth looking into. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.